Can robots really give birth? This question sparks curiosity about our future with AI and robotics. Picture a world where artificial wombs transform the process of childbirth in unimaginable ways. Scientists are harnessing technology to create environments capable of nurturing life before birth. Imagine a hospital setting filled with air-powered machines, all dedicated to assisting in childbirth. These advancements promise to redefine the bond between parent and child in revolutionary ways. What if robots could offer a safer, more controlled environment for fetal development? The implications for human reproduction could be staggering, reshaping our understanding of life itself. Envision a future where artificial wombs minimize risks associated with traditional childbirth methods. Could this technology alleviate the struggles faced by those unable to conceive naturally? As we stand on the brink of such innovation, what does this mean for humanity's future?